With the recent incidents of child abuse hitting national headlines, the safety of our children has taken up utmost priority. Recent incidents highlight the importance of educating our children. A pilot project was designed to approach 10 schools across Mumbai and in Pune.
मेरा नाम सलमा प्रभु है और आज हम आपस में कुछ छोटी-छोटी बातें करेंगे.
A threefold objective was devised. 1. Create awareness and identify good touch, bad touch. 2. Ways to quickly respond in case of bad touch. 3. To speak up to caregivers. Students were divided in 3 groups, customized to their understanding and maturity.
You are all from class 1?
First grade to 4th grade via storytelling.
Penguin family. Now Penguin Mama Papa told the children, especially there are 3 areas where no one must touch you. So you want to know now what those 3 places the penguin parents told. So the first one is chest. Very good. Right? No one must touch you on your chest. Chest पे कोई हाथ ना लगाएं. Right? The second place is correct. Bum को हाथ लगाएं. Not allowed. So no one must touch you. Correct? And the next place is, as you said, private part, area between your legs. So Penguin Mama Papa told the children, the touch that makes you feel uncomfortable is bad touch. Is it clear? Do you understand?
Grade 5 to grade 7 through newspaper reports and interactive discussions.
कभी-कभी कोई ये हरकत हमारे जब बहुत करीबी के लोग करते हैं तो हो सकता है हमारे मम्मी पापा हम पे तब क्या करेंगे? हो सकता है कि मम्मी पापा बोले कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है ना? तो आप मम्मी पापा को समझाएंगे, बार-बार समझाएंगे, मतलब उसी वक्त बार-बार मत आपके साथ बार-बार हरकत होने के लिए नहीं रुकेंगे, समझाएंगे और मम्मी पापा नहीं समझेंगे तो आप किनके पास जाएंगे? अपने टीचर को बोलेंगे. डरना नहीं है.
Grade 8 to grade 12 in-depth interactive discussions.
कभी-कभी आपसे कहा जाता है कि आप अभी बच्चे नहीं रहे. ये फेज़ में, ये स्टेज में हमारे जो डेवलपमेंट्स होते हैं कभी-कभी हमको अलग-अलग आकर्षण की तरफ भी ले जाते हैं और मन के साथ-साथ आपके शरीर का भी ग्रोथ हो रहा है. ये अवस्था जब युवा अवस्था होती है तो कभी-कभी हमको किसी के टच अच्छे लगते हैं उस वक्त, बट हम उस टच में नहीं जाएंगे. करेक्ट? और खुद को सुरक्षित रखें, खुद को प्रोटेक्टेड रखें. ये हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लें.
The workshop was also extended to teachers as a part of the workshop. The workshop was appreciated by principals, teachers and other authorities, and they wholeheartedly supported the program.
It was very interesting, and I should say it's the must for today's students.
Such a program should be conducted often to all schools between this age group where parents are not able to say them about all such things, about good touch, bad touch.
As you all know, the place is surrounded by so many strangers, and it will be very helpful for our kids to know what exactly is this bad touch and good touch.
Today's life, this topic is necessary for students, for everyone.
Along with the children, parents also need to be made aware, because many times it happens that if a child recognizes the discomfort, he does go and approach his parents, but just because parents are not aware, the problem is not resolved.
खऱ्या अर्थाने मुलींसाठी आपण नेमकं कसं राहिलं पाहिजे, आपली सुरक्षितता कशामध्ये आहे आणि सुरक्षित आणि असुरक्षितता व्यक्तींच्या स्पर्शामधला असणारा फरक हा सहज पद्धतीने मॅडमांनी त्यांना स्पष्टपणे सांगितला.
And I must appreciate the way they have conducted the session in a very befitting manner. and learning a lot of educational value.
It makes a difference when someone more skillful and someone coming from outside and someone trained taking this session. This is what I felt.
This program should be taken up as priority and extended to all schools across India. Child safety, our topmost priority. Let's take care of them.